Hey everybody, it's Bri Hall, and today I'm using my new Narcissist Wanted palette to show you guys how I achieved this 90s realness look. First I'm going to blend my transition shade, and then I'm using Shadow Hill, a matte saddle shade that's a limited edition from NARS. And I'm going to take Temptress, which is a matte red shade, and I'm going to use that to continue to warm up my outer lid. My expression says it all. After I finish blending in that deep red, I'm warming it up with the shade Coconut Grove, and it is the most beautiful matte brown shade, and it's a super deep chocolate shade as you see in this swatch here. It'll get your eyelids all chocolatey. I'm taking Wicked Game, and that's a satin cranberry shade, and this is also limited edition from NARS, so you can only get it in this palette. Then I'm taking the glowy shimmery shade Satisfaction under my brow bone to add a little pop of glow to give that glow. And now I'll be taking the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Tahoe. I wear this shade in all the NARS foundations. And the best news of all, this foundation is out right now. So if you want to get your hands on this foundation, it is thebomb.com. It gives you 16 hours of longwear, and let me tell y'all, I went out in the sun, I went to the gym. Yes, I went to the gym with foundation on. I didn't feel like washing my face, so I'm going through my normal face routine. I can do an updated foundation routine if you want this part more in depth, and then I'm blending everything out. Last, I'm going to set my face with some Coty Airspun Translucent Powder, you know, one of my favorites. This is the high coverage one, and then I'm using Black Radiance Bronzer. It's cold outside, but we're still trying to look a little toasty, you feel me? So yeah, then you're going to buff that out, and then I'm going to use that Mario Badescu facial spray again, and my sleek makeup highlight to just beam. Who said you can't be highlighted in the wintertime? Not this gal. And on a scale of 1 to 10, if you ask how extra I am, we are at about a 27. These new accessories are making it that much easier. Then I'm going to use Coconut Grove again on my lower lash line to smoke it out a bit, bring some drama into the eyes. Then I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede Liner in Downtown Beauty and this Essence lip pencil in the center to create this perfect nude lip. And then I'm going in with my Milani liquid matte lipstick in this beautiful brown metallic shade. Honestly, it just feels so 90s to me. And you guys already saw my big hair reveal, so if you haven't, go check that video out to get all the details on how I've been wearing my hair in these last couple of videos. Here I'm just curling it with a really small curling wand, and after the hair is all styled and whatnot, this is going to be the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Peace out. And